Hello, I'm going to now teach you how to use some add-ons on a Google Doc. As you can see, I've already installed the ProQuest RefWorks add-on and used it in the doc, but I'll go through the process again so you can understand. First thing you'll do is come right up here to this add-ons menu. You'll click on that, and as you see, it's right here, but I'm going to go look at some more so I can show you the process. Come here. The add-ons thing comes up. There are so many different apps you can add into your Google Doc here. If you wanted to, also, if you don't know what it is or you don't know, you just type in the search bar right there. I type in RefWorks, which is with this, and I've already installed it, so I can come here and manage it. And I've used it in this document. So now there's RefWorks. So now that I come on here, I can manage my citations, and RefWorks is an online bibliography website that is really useful. So I can make bibliographies and I have store all my citations for all my research projects that I need. And in this case, I have come over here and say right here I needed to cite something I did, and it's this one right here. So I push cite this, and it formats it. Here is the site and the APA. In APA 6 form, and it also should come in right there at the bottom, understanding genetics, and there it is. So that is how you use an add-on and how I've used it here in my Google Doc.